Let me put things. Hello everybody, it's me Spidey Toy. Really nice to see you. Let's do the Charlie game. I didn't have pencils, so I need to do it with signs. Okay? Let's start. Charlie, show me a sign. Nothing. Charlie, show me a sign. Nothing yet. Charlie, show me a sign. Nothing has happened. Oh my God. Charlie, show me a sign. Okay, everybody. Okay. Spidey Bison is not here, so I'm afraid. And Charlie's up to get me. The light! Oh my God! Oh my God! Nothing has happened. Oh no! What's that? Ah! Help! No! Help! Someone help me! Spider-Pie, you're not here! Oh my God! No! I'm gonna get you. I'm home. Wait. What happened to the lights? Oh no. Spidey Toy, where are you? Don't play with me. Spider-Pie, was it Charlie? Look. Dead cockroach. I got you, Spidey Toy. Buddy, now I'm gonna kill you, Spider-Pie.